Hi all, a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to discussing about boat neck and boat neck marking and a cutwork machine. The cutwork machine I have shown yesterday, right? So that how to use it and all I am showing very clearly in today's video. And many of our subscribers are asking me to show how the boat neck marking this and all. So today we are going to discussing this. So before going to the concept, just if you are watching our channel very first time, please like it, share it and subscribe. So if your friends also don't know, please inform to them, they will know. So you will get all the future updates while watching this video. Thank you. For a boat neck design we need two things. One is the actual cloth and one more is the measurement cloth. So measurement cloth, no need of always to get a boat neck. So even normal blouse also we can get it. Using that we can mark for a boat neck. So now we will see how to mark this. Just you need only these things are sufficient. So now just see this is actual blouse piece. So this one you can just keep, this is the front side of the blouse. So just to keep it straight, then shape will come easily and you can take it the measurements very easily. And this process is same to this boat neck marking or unique shape or pot neck shape, because the see if you keep this straight you will actually will get the what is the blouse width and I mean the person width and deep, so based on that we can calculate this. Don't skip the video, watch fully, you will get clarity. So now we will start this. First thing you need to know what is the length of the blouse. How will you get the length of the blouse means, see I am doing here like this, you can get the actual length of the blouse. Join the two shoulders like this and now see the length of this. See now this is the total length of this blouse. Length is 14. So we will take another half inch for to fold while stitching that. So you will take total 14.5 inches the total length we will take it for this boat neck. Now length is over. Now we will see how to take the shoulder. How to get the shoulder length means, just keep the blouse like this. This is the front side of the blouse and this folder should be, now see this, keep it where both are very straightly, then you will know what is the width of this blouse. Generally the width for blouse mark is 8 to 9, but generally they will ask 9. The tailors will suggest as 9. And now how we now see this is have the total length, a total width of this blouse is 12.5. So generally the width of the boat neck design is 9 inches, but if someone is broad they will go for 10 inches. That will be depends upon the blouse person and design. So for this deep, for the boat neck deep will be generally 3 to 4 inches. These are the measurements for a boat neck. Boat neck means the thing is only how what you mainly have to consider on what is the length of the blouse, means back side. So and the anyhow deep will be general for boat neck 3 to 4 inches. This is the half part 2 blouse. So this is I am using for this boat neck design. Here I am drawing a line with the help of scale just to remove the little bit space at the bottom side. You are able to see this line, I am drawing the line, right? So this will help you to avoid the cloth while fitting for the frame, while in a frame. I am folding the two sides of the cloth, then automatically the center point will be decided for this blouse. So like this I will do the measurement to how to get the center point means like this. So now easily we can understand this is center point of this blouse. So how much right side we can, then the design we can make it as center point, because for the back neck center point is mandatory, because while stitching the blouse the remaining blouse piece should manage that. So if you place wherever you want the design, then it will be very difficulty for while stitching time. See now I am marking a line for the center point here. Our actual length is 14. So now I am putting the 14 here. and I am giving another half space for the extra for half inch space. So now totally 14.5 space, 5 length I am taking this. You are able to see it right at 14 and a half point. I am making a marking here. So marking for 14 and a half. So I am extending the center line to the top of this end of this center point. This is the boat neck center point. General boat neck how will come in? See, it will come like this. For the boat necks and left and right, the left and right, that is center point. So the same center point should match it here exactly while doing the embroidery on this. So this will be the deep will be 3 inches suppose. Beyonding the center, the line if beyonding center point, then the design blouse length will be increased. So it actually the actual blouse 14 is 14. So we have given another 14 point. We given another inch for the while stitching the blouse, folding the blouse. So if beyonding this, then automatically will become a 15. So then it will be very length of the blouse. Even with this no issues, then tailors will while stitching the time they will cut for the remaining extra half. So there is no issues, but why we need to waste the cloth like that? We should not avoid this. I mean beyond this line. That's all. Because of this, the tailors will feel difficulty while adjusting for the front and the blouse hand pieces like that. So they will feel difficulty. So don't try to avoid the wasting of this design space. Again saying for the boat necks and length will be the important. Anyhow, if you know the center point, then it was very easy to to stitch it. Just consider the width from the customers, because few customers they are okay with 10-inch 10 broad, and but few customers they are okay with only 6 or 7 8. So just you have to consider the measure of the also from the customer side. So now just to see the shoulder length, so it's 9, right? So I am marking it with the 9 inches here. So if someone asks 10 inches broad, so you can just draw 10 inches broad. Why this is means the center point is to identify exactly, and also just to identify left and right end points. So next is hand marking. Hand is there is no any difficulty. So wherever you mark for the boat neck mark, just opposite side you mark it, you take for the blouse hand piece. So here also just I am removing this little bit space, and I am marking for the and marking with the chalk for the hand. No need of much space required, because anyhow we will do lining for this under this, right? So no need of much space, but I am giving a little bit space only. I am marking for full of this blouse. Why I am marking like this means, because generally this blouse piece, right, if any cross cut is there, to avoid that, this line will help us to while stitching embroidery. So it will very helpful, because generally the cloth means blouse piece means generally we may not need properly cutted the line, right? So to avoid those problems, this will help you too. For hands, easiest way is first you do one hand, so then you will get a clarity and you will get idea. Once if you done the first hand, so then automatically you will get, so then automatically you will get the second side where to do and what is the space of that, and so then you can easily identify, you can adjust that second side, because tailoring also should feel comfortable while stitching this blouse, right? Either if you are tailoring, no issue, then you have an idea. Suppose if you are not a tailor, so other one has to do your next the completing of the stitch mode, so to take care of all these things. So today I will show you the back neck, and I will complete for today's video with this back neck. Hands will upload in the next future videos. Here the first boat neck will come, and second one is the middle part will give a booty. This booty using the we will cut this using cutwork. I will show you how to use cutwork machine and how to make these beautiful designs for the blouses. Not only blouses, for the kurtas or kids frocks also we can do with this using cutwork machine. Very beautiful. So I will show you once this back neck is completed. Then I will show you how to use this cutwork machines for you. It's a gold shaded cloth thread, so I am using a green and a red because this blouse can be used as a multi-purpose. See, now I am doing, first I started with a red color for maroon color for this blouse. The next small part will be that I will use as a green color. I will show you that also. See, this neckline total minutes is 9 minutes, because generally see now here also the left part was the ended with that line, what is the I marker line, right? So it will help us like this marking line. So like this, for this boat neck, this line is mandatory thing. So not only for this, even you neck blouse also, you will have the length of this blouse. So then you have to mark like that, and it will helpful. So it will not disturb the design spaces and all. The other thing is mainly the other thing is center point, because center point is the mandatory thing for this boat neck designs. See, here, see, this is like this. Here the first one I am using royal thread. Actually, I asked my customer to use zari thread, but they told it's already gold jari. It's a gold color, gold shaded cloth. So no need of that. Just you'll go with normal silk thread only. So then first I gone through this, use royal thread. For this red color, I used a royal number 48, which I shown in the last video. This was very, I mean, it's a maroon color. So the next I am using the Picasso thread. See, this is a green color from the Picasso thread, and its number is 609. So you can see here the number 609 here. The Picasso 609 is 900 meters also. For bobbin also I will use the same thread. I will not use a different colors for the bobbin thread and for upper thread. So then I use to the same thread in bobbin also. When you use the same thread in a bobbin and upper thread, then the design will be very neat and beautiful. So for that only I am using the same thread in a bobbin and a bobbin also. If we have the subscribers are asking me why can't we use the bobbin thread as a cotton thread. So if you use the cotton thread and bobbin holder, see, generally cotton means the dust will be far more. So this dust, where will store this dust? In a bobbin holder only it will store the dust. So then sometimes this dust will create a problem for our machines. So that's why I avoided this using of this cotton thread in a bobbin. If you wish, we can continue, no issues in this. Because of this dust, the sometimes the stitch will be loose, and then sometimes noise also will come. Because of all these things, these issues will come due to dust. And always use it to clean this bobbin holder for every 2 days. Just to clean it, no need of that. And bobbin holder, and apply the oil in a bobbin holder as well as a handle side hole we have, right? So there also you apply oil for once for 2 days. So I kept the same green color thread in a bobbin also here. Here second color I am using as a green color, and also the same thread was used in a bobbin. And it's our responsibility to use a proper color combinations, depends upon the blouse color and thread colors. It's our responsibility completely. So if you use a proper color combination, then our design will become very beautiful to see on that. See, here I started using a booty. So then how to decide this booty spacing? Generally for the boat neck under a 1 inch we will stitch this booties not in generally. It's our responsibility to stitch this booty in a center, because if we keep down, then automatically it will went the downside. See, if it is very close to the neckline, it will be very close neckline. So then bottom part will be empty. So it's not good to see that. So you maximum try to always use it as center point of that. And also the one more thing is here, the neckline center and booty center both are should be as in inline. So then only it will become the back side neck will be occupied properly. I am showing here stitching of this thread and on this blouse. Just see that for 2 or 3 seconds. See here, back neck was fully completed, and this booty was a cutwork design. So now we will using cutwork machine. We will do it now. See, let's see. This is a cutwork machine. What I am showing you here. So while using this cutwork machine, it should be heated more. So just wait until it heat more, because generally it will not take much time to get heat. Generally 3 to 4 minutes it will be heat. See, now I am doing like this. If I am doing like this, the cloth will be automatically burnt. See here, this machine was not yet heated, so because of this it's showing like this. If we heat once heat was done, heating was done completely, then automatically you can see a warm on this foam or warm on this on top on this machine. So then you can apply that, then automatically cloth will happen. See here, I am doing this very slowly, so you can come to know that. If you notice in my previous video, there I used the dupe stick or agarbatti. So because with that you will get difficulty to do this cutwork machine like that. But then what is use of this cutwork machine means it very easily we can use this, and you can burn the cloth very easily wherever you require. Because this starting point is, see, it's like a pencil part. So wherever you want, you can go to small place also, you can go and we can do that. But it's our responsibility to burn the cloth where you want to burn the cloth. Because see, while touching to the stitched part, no issue. But if you put on the stitched one, then automatically stitched one also will be burned. It's our responsibility to burn the cloth wherever we want like this. So while using this cutwork machine, the shape will come very neatly. So because to see also it's very beautiful. See, now I started using this, right? Even once completing of all this, you yourself will tell it's very beautiful. But the thing is, it's our responsibility where to cut, and see, this very little bit minor, right? So there also I went and I burned that cloth. See, like this, because the pencil was, this point was very small, right? So you can go maximum of the places. Once after finishing using of this cutwork machine, so once this burn has complete, I mean this heat was complete, then we can you can easily remove these unused pieces or improperly that one, because you can see something on the black shaded cloth, right? So because that the burn was not happened properly, so that even if in this scenario also you can once after completion of this, we can easily remove that cloth also from the this blouse piece. That was very easy, not a difficulty thing. See here, now machine was heated, right? So you can see very easily this cloth is removing that. Very initially when I started this, the machine was not heated properly, so you can see some cloth in between that. But here we can notice that. See, now I am doing in the small place, right? So like this you can do wherever you want. Even you can notice this. Here I moved this to a very small portion of the cloth. This is the advantage of this cutwork machine, means wherever you want we can go in. See here, you can notice this is too small, right? Exactly, I am doing that in the proper way. So like this you can do wherever you want also. If anyone of you want this cutwork machine, just please contact me. I will send you through the DTDC. I will send you through the couriers. And it's our responsibility should not go on top of the stitched part. See, if touch means it is because the stitch means already thick, right? That will manage it. But if you wantedly or unknowingly putting again and again on a stitched one, then definitely that also will burn it. So while applying this, please use carefully. So no issues in that. See, once completion of this, I will show you how it will be. It will be. So you can just give your comments on my chat box or comment box. So then it will be, I can also feel happy while seeing this. So if you want any other information also, please make a comment on the comment box. So I will try to do your requirements also, to do videos on your requirements also. See here, almost completed using the cutwork machine here. Now I will show you the back side of this, how it will be. See, you can cut the fully using like this, it will see, right? So even if anything small pieces will be there, you can cut like this scissor, with the help of scissor. So final output I see. Now this is the back side of this. See here, if because if initially my machine was not heated properly, right? So the by using that some little bit cloth was there, so that I am removing with the help of scissor. Even scissor also not required, just you can peel using your hand itself. So while peeling itself, that thing will come out very easily. So like this, wherever you feel little bit cloth was there, you can remove using scissor, or you can just peel it, so everything will come outside. So like this we can do. So now we can, using a cutwork machine, we can do like things. Using this cutwork machine we can do it very properly. Even I will join here, the one of my customer has sent me the image after using this cutwork machine. I will attach that image here, you can see that also. Please give your comments in a comment box, how you feel this video. And also I thought it was very good to use a cutwork machine or computer embroidery to help our business improve. So if you like this video, share our channel, like and subscribe it. So if any of your friends also don't know, please inform to them to share this and subscribe it. They will get, whenever I upload a video, so they will get notifications like that. So now onwards we will start English version also, right? Please encourage us to do English version also for all the videos. Thank you for watching this. I will add that video, that image at end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. See, these are the things shared by one of my cutwork machine subscribers.